The 2 ultimate detox smoothies. Both recipes are below this video. The best time of the year to use a detox recipes program is during the changing of the seasons in the spring or fall, but that doesn't mean you should only drink these smoothies then. By adding a detox smoothie to your diet sporadically, you will have less to get rid of when you do your detox program. The ingredients you need for a detox smoothie are green leafy vegetables, herbs/spices, and fruit. The greens are high in fiber and nutrients and low in calories. They help promote the detoxification process within your body. The herbs help your metabolism, stimulate your digestion and increases circulation. Then the fruit also has a lot of fiber and adds some sweetness that makes everything taste a whole lot better. For all of these reasons, detox smoothies also make great weight loss smoothies. Okay, on to the detox smoothie recipes. Cleaning time. Serves, 3 to 4. Ingredients. 1 cup of kale leaves, washed and destemmed. 1/2 cup chopped cucumber. 1 apple, cored. 1 pear, cored. 1 to 3 stems parsley. Small piece of ginger, peeled. 2 cups water. 1 teaspoon of raw honey, optional. Blend everything together and clean house. Good riddance. Serves, 3 to 4. Ingredients. 1 cup spinach. 1 cup dandelion greens. 1 handful of blackberries. 1 handful of blueberries. 1 to 3 stems of cilantro. A pinch of cayenne pepper. 2 cups water. Throw everything in your smoothie maker and that is pretty much it, the start of your green smoothie detox. Of course, you can make these detox smoothies more personal with unique additions to an experiment on your own. In fact, all of the recipes on this site are meant as a starting point for you to start making your own recipes. We want everyone to lead healthy lives, and we really believe that making your own fresh smoothies with organic produce is a great way to do this.